Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be I am doing a collab with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we will be building a pirate ship. Let's see how this goes. So the commentary will probably be like 0 out of 0, so prepare yourself. Oh no, I did it wrong way.
So what kind of ship are you going to build?
I'm not sure. I don't know what the pirate ships are called. I just call it a pirate ship. There we go. It's going to be a very small pirate ship by the looks. Or not a very, very small, but quite a small. Oh no, why did I do that?
Alright, dear Zion, do you want a fun fact of the day?
Yeah, I guess we could have a fun fact.
Have you ever played Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag? With the infamous pirates like Blackbeard and stuff, some of them are real apart from Edward Kimway and James Kidd, but William Kidd was real. So the real characters were Blackbeard was real, Benjamin Hornigold, Charles Vane, Calico Jack, I think Woods Rogers was, and so was Mary Read and Anne Bonny, and who else? King George was real, but I don't think it was king at the time. And yeah.
Well, I guess that was pretty interesting. So back with the build. So we're like rounding this ship at the moment. Oh no, how am I gonna do this one? Not good there, I'm not that good at circles. Wait. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to have it floating, but that doesn't matter. So this one. Oh no. Oh, hi, Donald Trump.
Donald Trump is an egg.
Mm-hmm.
No one likes him apart from Americans. But then
There's some people in New Zealand like him.
A lot of people in New Zealand hate him though.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's just get off the topic Donald Trump, because
yeah,
I don't think my very little viewers would want to listen to Donald Trump stories. So this might be a bit of a longer. Oh, really? You had to do that to me? I love Donald Trump. No. Why am I saying Donald Trump? No.
Because you want to make fun of him.
Man, the last person I would want to be president. If New Zealand had a president, the last person I wanted to have a president would be Donald J. Trump.
What's his full name, by the way?
Oh, I'm not sure. I know it's Donald J. Trump though, because Barack Obama.
If he does,
I got that off Barack Obama plays Call of Duty.
If he gets in the presidency, I doubt he'll be like the legends.
I think lots of people move. Okay, can we get off the Donald Trump topic?
Yeah.
Because it's kind of weird.
Like the George Washington topic.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Yeah, even though I've heard that he was a great president.
So, Hope all my viewers' days have gone good, days or night, whenever you're watching this. Just doing the framework now. Might have to split this up into 2 parts. I think how it's made is on. That show is actually really interesting for me. What's the topic we could talk about? Who really gives a crap about celebrity news?
I don't.
I don't really even care
Yeah.
that much
Because it's just like normal everyday things that happens to humans, eh? It's unbelievable.
Okay, now we are getting into the captain's. What's it called, Jai?
The captain's cabin.
Oh yeah, captain's cabin. So let's do that. Oh wait, let me just do this quickly. Oh no, why am I singing the Running Man song? Very long. I might have to split this up into 2 parts, Jai?
Maybe.
Probably. But so like this will be where the plank is. Very laggy. Always gets very laggy when I'm recording. Go.
The thing I like about Lego Pirate 6 is that you get to decide who the good guys are and who the bad guys are.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, like...
Even though I'm not the world's biggest fan of Lego,
Yeah, I love Lego though.
Did you drink my Mountain Dew?
I don't drink Mountain Dew.
Come here, let me smell your breath now. That's just a vine on YouTube. How will I make this one work? We'll just do this.
Also, it doesn't necessarily have to be a pirate ship. It can be a navy ship.
Nah, I'm not doing that. That'll take forever.
Yeah, it took me quite a long time to build my frigate. Hey, because I was always constantly upgrading it. Better now. Now my big intention on Minecraft is to upgrade my cove.
Yeah. I don't really play as much Minecraft as I used to. Now I'm like play Black Ops 3 mostly and stuff,
Yeah. Black Ops 3 is a good game.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Nearly done the framework here. Woohoo. Why did I do that? That was stupid. If you can hear like how it's made or something, I'm sorry if that's copyrighted. I truly don't know much about the copyright stuff, but if you can, I'm sorry about that. Just that my dad's watching it. And we're in a hotel at the moment because we're away for my dad's work, so yeah. This is going to be a very long episode. Once I've completed the framework, I might have to end the episode here.
Or you can do a part 2.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do.
With, on how to decorate the captain's cabin.
No, I'm going to do a part 2. Because this is very laggy. Might even have to split this up into 3 parts.
I got a feeling this will be a good ship because it might be like the Queen Anne's Revenge.
What is that?
Blackbeard's ship.
Oh. Isn't he the pirate off Assassin's Creed?
Yeah, he's the really cool one.
Here we go. Oh, why am I crouching? This is probably the best pirate ship I've built so far. So you want that there.
I remember how I used to build ships and they actually kind of suck.
Yeah, but we used to think we were beast. Why do you look back now and think that they're bad?
Yeah.
I might do that.
No, that would actually work.
Nah, I just realised it'll look kind of weird though. So I'm gonna end the episode here, guys. So this is part 1 of my pirate ship, and I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Peace.